Hi, it's Chris. I hope you're all well. As you must have noticed already, fork caps have a low profile and can be damaged by using the wrong socket. This is why Unior developed low profile sockets. Okay, let's get a look into it. Unior's flat sockets for suspension service are made from drop forged, hardened and tempered chrome molybdenum. It is polished and chrome plated to comply with EN 12540. These sockets are specifically designed to provide strong grip while preventing damages to low-profile top caps. They are available in a wide range of sizes from 23mm to 32mm. If you're using an air spring, always deflate the air chamber. You can then install the socket on the cap and unscrew it. For ease of use, these sockets are compatible with 1/2 inch ratchets. It makes removal and installation of the caps much faster. To comply with manufacturer's torque requirements, these sockets can be fitted on torque wrenches with a 1/2 inch ratchet adapter. So, if you want to do a good job on your suspension fork without damaging the caps, you should definitely give this a try. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.